The second product on this list is the Swagtron EB8. If you've been looking for the perfect bike for daily commuting, you may have found something very close with this unit. The Swagtron EB8 is an electric bike with a 36-volt battery and a 350-watt motor. Additionally, the Swagtron comes with a 4-inch fat tire for a better off-road experience. Like all the others so far, the tire size is 20 inches, which limits the height and top speed, yet makes it more compact and improves acceleration. The awesome feature about the Swagtron isn't just the fact it's an e-bike, but its design. Its battery is enclosed inside the main bike frame, which offers excellent protection from the weather and any accidents. The motor is on the rear wheel, which allows for speeds up to nearly 19 miles per hour. In full throttle mode, the battery only lasts roughly 21 miles before needing to be recharged. This is slightly limiting, but it is still decent for the size. And if you're also pedaling, it will last far longer. Moreover, the overall quality and design, however, are excellent. The heavy-duty frame offers great strength while still keeping the weight to a minimum. It can easily fit in the trunk of a car, so you can take it on vacations too. For those who want to minimize storage space and want the opportunity to take on a good biking trail or just cruise the streets to work, this is a great option. Its pros are, its battery is protected by the frame due to it being inside the bike. It has a solid speed of 18.6 miles per hour, which is helpful on those steep hills. And its heavy-duty frame keeps the e-bike protected from any rough falls or scrapes. However, when the charge runs out, it feels as heavy as a full-size bike, which can be tiring. The Swagtron EB8 is an excellent foldable e-bike for those who like to go off-road onto more rough terrain. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.